This Camry looked like it went off-roading. Hit every bug in the southeast and on the way back. Don't worry though, Revive and Shine, we got you covered. Check this out. Moving on to the interior. Man, muddy mats, dusty everything. Looked like it took a weekend trip down every dirt road in Georgia. All right, now before the fun starts, we gotta get everything dialed in. Gotta get the water buckets filled up, the chemicals, spray bottles, whole setup. Clean car starts with clean tools. All right, now that we got everything set up, it's time to hit those wheel wells and those wheels. That mud was so caked up, I thought it was unburying treasure, man. That was crazy. Just look how much mud is falling off the wheel wells and the wheels. There's something therapeutic about knocking off mud off of rims. We hit the wheels with that brake buster, break up that brake dust, and then we hit the front bumper with a nice coat of degreaser to start breaking up that bug graveyard. Gave the tires a solid scrubby-dub-dub, detailed the rims, and hit all the tight spots with a brush. No corner left behind. Now we're getting to some good stuff. Look at them suds. We start with a pre-foam bath, let the suds just pull that dirt off the car. Just look at that. Just look how thick this is. Wow. That's how you lift dirt without scratching the paint. Now we go in with the microfiber towel for that contact wash. 2-bucket method always. Clean towel, clean water, clean results. Rinsed it down, dried it off, and boom, outside's clean. As you can tell, time for the inside. We vacuumed up every crumb, leaf, and piece of whatever that was hiding under those seats. After finishing up vacuuming, we hit the mats with some degreaser and the pressure washer, knocking off all that mud. Went over every inch inside, the dash, the console, the door panels, the steering wheel, everything. Nothing got untouched. Got the leather looking fresh again, made those windows crystal clear. No more fingerprints, no more haze, just clean all around. Then we wrapped it up with some tire shine and that spritz of that new car smell. You know the one. You smelt it before. Just look at this Camry though, man. Looks like it just rolled off the lot. Clean, sharp, feeling brand new. Look, if your ride's looking rough, don't stress it. Just hit us up. Revive and Shine. We pull up and we handle the dirty work.